Assalamualaikum my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Adha and I make makeup videos weekly, so do stick around and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing this eye look. I've used these Beautify by Amna's chromatic glitters and her lashes. So if you wanna know how I did this eye look, if you wanna see how well the glitters perform, do keep on watching. So first thing first guys, my brows are done and I have set my eyes with the concealer. Now I'm using this Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay, and first off I am going to set my lids with the skin tone powder, that's the second color, and I'm using a big fluffy brush and generously applying the color on the whole lid. This is just to set my eyes so that I can start applying color. Now taking a smaller blending brush, I am applying this first shade, that's the medium brown in the center of the palette, and I'm blending it all over my crease and slightly above it. This is going to be my transition color and also a deep color. This is not a very light shade, so I'm taking my time to blend it. If I start with a lighter color, I don't have to blend it that much, but as you can see, I am blending it very nicely and I'm taking bit by bit. I'm not packing the color on. I'm just taking small amount and then blending it well. Next I'm taking this black from Geek. This is Corrupt, and with a small stiff shader brush I'm just applying it in my crease to deepen that color. This adding black will enhance the color more instead of adding a darker brown, so I just wanted to go with the black here. I'm again using the same brush to buff it in and taking my time to really blend the color in. I've not edited these blending steps much because I wanted to show you how long it takes and how well I blend the colors. I am also taking that black shade a little bit lower under my lower lash line. You can see it takes a long time and it takes a lot of blending. I'm now just using the first brush, big fluffy one, and blending the edges again so that there is a smooth transition and smooth color going on. Now with using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using a small angled brush. This will just help to carve out the crease better. If you haven't done it much, it'll be difficult at first, but with practice you can get a hang of it. It's not that hard. You just have to carve out your mobile lid and just put the concealer on that part. So I'm just carving the shape first and then filling it with the concealer. That's one of my girls you can see a reflection of in the palette, just dancing around me. So I've chosen this look because right now it is just around the corner and many of us would want to have a glam look, so I thought why not do it a glittered glam look. So once both of my eyes are carved out with concealer, I am using this another good shade from Geek. This is Ritzy and it's a duo toned shade, Duochrome I think it was. You can see it reflects a bit of reddish brown and goldish green. So I'm just putting it all over the lid. Now that the shade is all over the lid, let's move on to the glitters. First off, I'm using this gorgeous color, that's Olivia, and you can see the color payoff. I'm just putting on some glitter glue and now starting to pack the glitter on. It was really easy to pack it on, and you can see the swatch I'm showing you now. This has a good sparkle and the color is very pretty. I'm just carefully packing it all over where I just put the eyeshadow on. I wanted the glitter to have a backdrop of a greenish olive color. That's why I put the shadow first and then applying the glitter. So I'm carefully packing all the glitter, and you can see there's not much fallout, so that's good. But I wanted a little bit more bling, so I decided to add on the other color, that's unicorn. And you can see instantly as I added, there's a lot more bling going on. So I loved the combination of this. I haven't used these the unicorn color separately yet, but I absolutely love the two colors. It's much more blingy and much more glittery and shiny and sparkly. I just loved it. Again, I'm packing it on, and there's again not much fallout. Yay! Let's quickly do the other eye. So after completing my glitters, I did not like the outer corners of the eyes. So I'm going back to the second last shade in the palette, and with a small precision brush, I'm just applying it in the outer corners to deepen the shade there and bring some depth in the outer corners. I'm slightly bringing this shade down under the bottom lashes. Now taking Ritzy again from Makeup Geek, I am applying it with a small pencil brush on my lower lash line, keeping it very close to the lash line. You might have to stretch your face a little bit, like I do. I make so many funny faces when I'm applying my makeup around the eyes especially. And to blend that shade, I'm using this very light brown, kind of a transition color, and I'm blending this Ritzy that I just applied. Now blending this last shade again with the same big fluffy brush. You just want to blend all the edges so the color is all smooth all around the edges. You can see I take a lot of time and go back and forth with these steps, because this is what will give your makeup a very finished look, a very nice smooth look. So please do a lot of blending and go over it as many times as you think you need to. Moving on, this is Aura from Natasha Denona that I'm using here to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners. This is a very nice gold silvery type of duochrome shine. I just love this, especially when I'm doing a full glam look. I think this complements the glittery and full glam eye look very nicely. So I'm just applying this first with a thicker side of the brush, and now I am just applying with a smaller pencil brush to emphasize the application. Time for some bold eyeliner, and my choice is this Inglot eyeliner. It's very creamy and very easy to apply. Just take some on back of my hand, and I'm using angled brush here, and you can see I'm drawing some guidelines for me. First I draw a line from the outer corner upwards and then extend it outwards towards the tail of the brow. Then I connect this line with the first line, trying to form a triangle here, and then connect this tip of the triangle to the inner corner of the eye. So it's really not easy to explain what I'm doing. You'll just have to see what I'm doing. And I try to I take a lot of time trying to put eyeliner, especially when it's a bold one like this. So I had to fast forward it. I did not cut out any steps. You can see me going back and forth, trying to improve the line and filling in just the black color so that there's no empty areas. I usually take a lot of time. That's why I mostly do my eyeliner off camera. But finally it's done, and let's copy it on the other eye off camera. Yay, time for lashes. So this is what I'm using. This is by Beautify by Amna in the name Farasha, and my look is done. You can either leave your lips nude or pair it with a bright pink lip like I did, or any color of your choice basically. So guys, this is it. I hope you like this look. I did make it a glam look because of Eid, and you can tone it down or tone it even higher up if you like. It's really up to you, but I've given you some option here. If you like this step-by-step and detailed eye look, do let me know. I will make more videos in such form, and do subscribe. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it, and I hope you will try it. Do let me know if you like it. All the products I've used would be in the description box down below. I do like these glitters. I think they performed very nicely. The sparkle is very nice. As you can see, it shows off, it reflects light very nicely, and it was quite easy to put on the lid. So I do recommend this. If you haven't tried this, do try. If you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.